Okay, we start our project. Now, we want to write a code that read all this data here in this folder and put them in one CSV. We want to make data clear. Okay, we say how to read CSV file in Python. How to read it? Okay, how to read CSV file in Python using pandas. Pandas read CSV. It has the pd.read CSV. Okay, now we say import. Let's say here importing libraries. Run it. We say here import pandas as pd. My tooth is hurting a little, sorry. Okay, then we write this. Def is equal pd.read CSV, but the important thing is that the data is not here. The data is in data folder. What we do, we just create a slash and say data. And let me just delete this. Let me see def. As you can see, the data inputted correctly in the best way that is impossible. Okay, but what we need to do, we need to do this function. Okay, for that we need to know how to know what in a folder is using Python. These two sites, I think, giving us the answers. Gigs for gigs. Let's go and see. Import OS directory path. If OS dot list the directory path is equal. Okay, I think I understand something. Let's copy it and try working on it. Let's put it here. Run it. We don't have this directory. Let's change the directory to just data and see if it is work. Oh, let's put them up. What is the problem? Oh, sorry. I saw the problem now. That's good. Let's run it. The system can write the path specific data. Okay, we must give it the path completely. Let's copy that and put it here. And let me just copy that. Data. I think I write it wrong. I guess right. This must be this way. Let me just make it right. Now let's run it. Some file found in the directory. We find the file we want. In the next lesson, we are going to read them and put them in our program. Have a good day.